Hello tech lovers, today's video is on P8 drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular side or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on this drone. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. Nowadays, drones are an inseparable part of some of us. It cuts a great part of our life. According to needs, situation, and budget, people chooses different size and different types of drones. In some situations, proper drones are preferable, and in some situations, mini drones are preferable. Today, we are discussing about an amazing mini-budget drone. This particular mini drone is full of great features. Let's discuss those things. It is 28 by 29 by 5 centimeters when unfolded and 16 by 14 by 5 centimeters when folded. It has two color variations that are orange and black. Its foldable design is very easy to carry and provides a professional vibe with it. It is clearly visible too, so hopefully, it will make no accidents with any other flying devices. Camera is an important part of a drone. This drone has 8K quality record, so why worry about recording every wonderful moment? It is provided with high-definition chip, remote control dual lens, and built-in beauty camera, which lets you see things from thousands of miles away, and the panoramic view of details are praiseworthy. The front camera has 90-degree electronic regulation. The dual lens switching shooting experience gives marvelous service. Free switching and free framing experience is great. The battery is provided with a modular design, so you will be able to install it easily. The battery is actually a 1800 mAh large capacity 3.7 volts modular battery. The battery has long battery life and easy replacement. It also has intelligent energy saving and power saving abilities. With this configuration of battery, it can provide almost more than 22 minutes of flight time. Now it is time to discuss various functions of P8 drone. Obstacle avoidance is a contemporary thing nowadays. Nobody likes their drones being crushed or damaged. It protects drones from being crashed or damaged. P8 Pro is a black technology obstacle avoidance drone. It has laser obstacle avoidance and 360-degree omnidirectional laser obstacle avoidance. It can intelligently detect obstacles encountered by the drone within about 1.5 meters to avoid damage to the aircraft. Where most of the obstacle avoidance drones on the market are three-sided obstacle avoidance. This particular device has newly upgraded 360-degree comprehensive obstacle avoidance on all sides. Real-time transmission is one of the best features of drones. Without real-time transmission, flying a drone is kind of boring in many situations. And 4G image transmission is good, but 5G image transmission is better. This one has a 5G real-time image transmission that lets you watch the scenery from far away in almost real time. With 2,000 meters flight distance, 5G image return allows you to have migratory bird vision, and it will let you discover new perspectives. It has easy operational hover technology. There is a convenient one-button hovering control that novices can quickly get started and easily realize high-altitude technical hovering. The optical flow positioning hover lets it accurately lock the height, hover stably, and prevent the screen from shaking when taking pictures and videos. In common feature of drones, waypoint flight is one. All the quality drones have this feature. It is a very helpful feature, and it helps people to have a comfortable flying experience and enjoy a peaceful, hassle-free afternoon or evening. P8 drone will provide you with an intelligent waypoint flight experience. You can draw the flight waypoint you want on the map and immediately click on the drawn waypoint to fly. One key return provides extra convenience. It makes the returning process easy. It is also necessary for emergency situations. Headless mode is also a flying feature that makes it easy to fly a drone. It reduces the directional trouble and confusion. Because of this feature, beginners find it very helpful. Its folding body is very impressive, lightweight, and easy to carry. It is highly portable, and you will feel great carrying it. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons of this device. Great obstacle avoidance, 8K high-definition pixel, great design, 5G image transmission, good amount of flight time. The image quality and video quality could be better in 8K pixel resolution. Smart follow feature could be better. In short, this product is an elite quality mini drone. It has great features, and they are necessary nowadays. Provides great flight time, great picture resolution, great laser obstacle avoidance, and all the other great features at a budget price. So, it will be highly preferable on our list. If you like the video and find it helpful, you can always give a like on this video. Smash that subscribe button for more tech-related, informative videos. The links to all products we have talked about are in the description box down below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, have fun and keep up the good work.